I just wanted to show quickly what I'm doing here. This is my fancy soldering iron. I have my little test print here set up. Focus in. Okay. So what it is, we have our little inserts. These are knurled on the outside and the threaded on the inside. So I put one in place in the hole. I 3D printed these. That's 100.126 inches by design. So all you do is you take, this is PLA by the way, you take the soldering iron and heat the little insert up. The tweezers are just so it doesn't stick to the end of the soldering iron. It has done that in the past. So what I'm doing is heating it. See, trying to stick. And then I grab a piece, something flat. If it's not all the way down, you just heat it a little bit more. That's it. Voila.